So please bring my screen. So this is what our problem. So this one is a horizontal plane and this one is a vertical plane. Okay. So in this problem, it is inclined to HP. That means it is inclined to this plane. Okay. So it is inclined to this plane and it is parallel to vertical plane. Okay. So இப்போ நான் பென்சில் அப்படி வைக்கிறேன்னு வச்சுக்குவோம். That means it is parallel to HP. So it is parallel to HP and it is perpendicular to VP. If I am keeping this line like this, okay, it is parallel to HP and it is parallel to VP. So இப்போ நீங்க பார்க்கறது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா side view. So you can able to see only this point. Okay, this is what our third method. Sorry, second method. And if you are keeping this line like this, it is inclined to HP and also it is inclined to VP. It is our final method. It is both inclined. Okay, if you are keeping like this, it is inclined to HP and also inclined to VP. But in this condition, it should have a inclined with HP and parallel to VP. That means this is what our parallelity. So if then another parallel to VP, and also it should have a inclined with HP. That means I can keep the line, keep a line like this. So it is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. But while looking from your direction, it will look like a vertical line. It will look like a vertical line. But if you are seeing from the front direction, okay, this is what our front direction. By looking from this front direction, this is what the correct position. Okay. So looking from the front direction, it is inclined to HP and also it is parallel to VP. So while seeing from the top view, that means this view, the top view இருந்து பார்க்கும்போது உனக்கு இது எப்படி இருக்கும் ஹரிசாண்டல் லைனாக தான் தெரியும். You can't able to say whether it is a inclined line. So in the direction பாரு, right now I am keeping this line that is inclined to HP. This is our top view. Okay, whether you can able to say this line is inclined, you can't able to say whether this line is inclined. It look like a horizontal line, but I am keeping this line that is inclined to HP. So inclined position la vechirken, but by looking from the top view, it will look like a horizontal line. So if you are having any paper, so please use this kind of method for the correct explanation. Okay. It's clear? Paper. So now you can mark the front view and top view. So this is what our front view and this one is our top view. You have to rotate this horizontal plane towards 90-degree clockwise direction. So you can mark a reference line with the name of X and Y, and you can mark it as a VP and also HP. So you don't have to you don't have to write like this. So இங்கே இந்த கார்னர்லயே டிரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, VP and HP. Okay, so this front view will have a inclined angle. So you can mark this front view with a particular angle. This angle will be available in the problem, and you can mark it as A dash and B dash. So the same view, you have to create the projection like this. So in top view, you can't able to see the true length. Maybe this line will have a length of 100 mm. For example, this line is having a length of 100 mm. Okay. So while seeing from this line from top view, you can't able to see the 100 mm length. It will look like a 70 mm or 80 mm line because it is inclined to HP. So this line length is not necessary for this problem. So in the length on the it is not necessary. You have to draw the line length in front view, and actually you have to create a traces like this. So and you can create a line between these two traces, and you can mark a notation called AB because this one is our top view. You don't have to create a line for 100 mm length in top view. ஸோ உனக்கு ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூவில் தான் அதோட ட்ரூ லென்த்து தெரியும், டாப் வியூவில் ட்ரூ லென்த்து தெரியாது. பிகாஸ் ஆக்சுவலி உனக்கு டாப் வியூவோட லென்த் என்னென்னே தெரியணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ப்ராப்ளமில் உனக்கு கொடுத்துருவாங்க லைன் ஆஃப் 100 mm length ஆர் லைன் ஆஃப் 150 mm length ஆர் லைன் ஆஃப் 50 mm length அப்படி கொடுத்துருவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த லென்த்தை நீ எங்கே மார்க் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூவில் தான் மார்க் பண்ணணும். யூ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் டு மார்க் த பர்டிகுலர் லென்த் இன் டாப் வியூ. ஸோ ஃபார் கிரியேட்டிங் திஸ் டாப் வியூ you have to create a trace from A dash, and also you have to create a trace from B dash. Okay, then you can create a line between the traces from A dash and B dash. So you can connect these two traces with a horizontal line. So this horizontal line will be called as top view, and you can name this top view as A and B. Okay, it's clear. So after doing this, then you can take your HP pencil and you can do what is the work that is needed to be highlighted. Okay, so next one, our fourth method. So this one is vice versa of the third method. So here in our previous step, a line is inclined to HP and parallel to V. Okay, so but in our fourth method, a line is inclined to HP and parallel to inclined to VP and parallel to HP. It is a opposite one. Now you have to create a line like this. So it should have an angle with the VP, and also it should be parallel to HP. So in this problem, you can able to see the true length only in top view. You can't able to create a line in front view with a true length. So what is meant by true length? The actual length of the particular line. Okay, so you can able to see the true length only in top view. You can't able to create a front view initially. Okay, so this one is our front view. So it will available in vertical plane, and the top view will be available in horizontal plane. In this kind of problem, initially you have to create a top view first. Then only you can able to create a front view. Okay, that means you have to draw a horizontal line with the XY name. After that, you have to create a top view. Okay, so you can pick a point from anywhere. Okay, that will be marked as A, and you can create a line with the angle of theta that will be available in the problem. So this line length is available in the problem, and you can mark it as A and B. Next, you have to create a traces from A, and you have to create a trace from B. Now you can connect these two traces, okay, and also you can name it as A dash and B dash. So this one is our front view. So in this problem, you have to create a top view first, then only you can able to create front view. ஸோ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த ப்ராப்ளமில் டாப் வியூவோட டைமென்ஷன் எப்படி நம்மளுக்கு நெசசரி இல்லையோ, சேம் லைக் தட் இன் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் we don't need of a front view length. We don't have to consider front view length. We have to consider only the length of top view that will be available in the problem itself. Okay, so after doing this, same like that, you have to take a HP pencil, then you have to highlight the notations and also the dimensions, arrowhead, and finally the diagram that is called the front view and top view. You have to finally highlight the front view, and also you have to highlight only the top view. Please don't highlight these traces. You don't have to highlight these traces.